Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at the divisibility rule and we'll be learning about the divisibility rule for 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its large digit is even. What are the even digits? We have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So once a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that means that the number is divisible by 2. Okay, so let's look at this example. The first one we have is 18. So because 18 ends in 8, which is an even number, it is divisible by 2. Then the second number we have here is 45. 45 ends in 5, which is not an even number, so therefore is not divisible by 2. And then the last number we have here is 102. 102 ends in 2. So 2 is an even number, therefore 102 is divisible by 2. Let's practice these questions together. The question said, which of these numbers is divisible by 2? First number we have here is 234. 234 ends in 4, and 4 is an even number, so therefore we can say that 234 is divisible by 2. Is divisible by 2. Now recall that the even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now the next number is 517. 7 is not an even number, so therefore 7 is not divisible by 2. Then we have 8642. This number ends with 2, and 2 is an even number, so we can say that it is divisible by 2. 7391, and 7391 ends in 1. 1 is not an even number, so it is not divisible by 2. And the last number we have here is 10208. It ends with 8, and 8 is one of the even numbers we have here. So we can say that 10208, that is 10,208, is an even number.